Yes, students, today we will start chapter number 6 of class 6 mathematics. Decimals, review of the idea of a decimal fractions. So this we will learn today. So beta, we will start from what is decimal. What is decimal? So beta, the number written in decimal forms means the number which we can write in points. Like this 1.9, 0.9, 17 over 10, 9 over 10. So we can say that a number which we can write in point, then that number we will say that number will be a decimal form. Like 1.7 is a decimal form. Beta, now in number system, when we are counting, when we are placing the when we are counting the value, or when we are saying the place value of a term, then after fraction, after decimal points, what numbers we have to count. Okay, before that we know that how we are counting ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this we are giving the place value. But after point, how we are giving the place value? So the fraction tenths. What is tenths? So the fraction 1 by 10. Okay, any fraction 1 by 10, name the number of 1/10. Okay, this we can say also 1/10, and it can also be written as 0.1. Okay, hundreds, the fraction 1 by 100, named as the number of 100, and it is written as 0.01. Okay, thousands, the fraction 1 by thousands, names the number 1000s. Okay, any fraction which we are writing 1 by 10, we are saying that tenths. We can write it 0.1, 1 by 100, 100, and this we are writing 0.01, and thousands we are writing 1 by 1000, that is 0.001. Now beta, in decimals also we are having two parts. One is before decimal and one is after decimal. So before we are saying whole number part, this part like this in decimal, in this number 37.485, 37 is whole number part and 485 is decimal parts. Okay, now we are having two type of decimals. One is like decimals and one is unlike decimals. But unlike decimals means like this 1, 2, 3. Three numbers are there. After point we are having same number of digits. As you can see this one, after point we are having 1, 2, 2 digit here, 2 digit here, and 2 digit here. So decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Okay, so after points, if we are having same number of say after point or after decimal we are having same numbers, then we can say like decimals. But in the downside group you can see 1, 2, 3 numbers are there, and we can see this one after point 1 number is there, here after point 2 numbers are there, and here after point 3 numbers are there. So decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Now we will start this exercise 6a. Okay, so we will start from first question. Write the following decimals in numerals. So first is write the following decimal in numerals. So how we will write beta? 6.2. We know that what is 6. How we are writing 6? Point we are writing like this, and they are saying 6.2. So we will write as 6.2. Okay, now 18 point. 18 we know how to write 18. This is 18. Okay, 18 point. This is point 154. So 154. I hope you are getting this point. 18.154. Now 0.803. So they are starting from point. So we will start from point 0.803. So 8, 0 and 3. Okay. Now 310. We know how to write 310. Yes, we know how to write 310. This is 310. Correct. Point 310 point 0106 005 310.050 and 6. Like this we have to write. Last is 9001 9001.0004. So 9001 we know, like this we are writing 9001, correct. Then point 000 000. How many zeros they said? 3 zeros are there. And then what number they said? That is 4. So like this we have to convert these decimals into numerals. Now beta, we have to start question number 2. Draw a decimal place value diagram and write the following numbers in it. So we have to write decimals, we have to draw one decimal value diagram, and in that we have to fill this one. So this is my decimal value diagram, and we know what means, how we are counting ones tens. Okay, ones tens, this is tenths. This is tenth, means 1 by 6 by 10. Okay, so this is after point tenths, hundredths and thousand. Okay, like this we are right. So just see hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, ones, tens, hundred. Okay, now tenths, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, this we have to know this one. So this is ones, tens. In ones place, which digit we have to write? First one, that is in ones place I have to write 9. Okay, in tenth place, tenth, which one value? That is 1. And after a point, which number will come? That is tenth. So this I will write here. Okay, 19.6, like this we will write. Now ones, before point beta, we know that this is ones. Okay, this is 1, so we will write here it ones. And this 8 9 means tenth and 100. Okay, so this is 8. Okay, and this is 9. Like this we have to write. Okay, now 3, 0.82. Now 0 point, so 0 means where? 0 means this is ones. Point, this is tenth, hundredth and thousands. So this is 8, 2 and 9. Like this we have to write. 0.029, so 0.02 and this is 9. Like this we have to write. Ones, tens, hundred and tenths, hundredths, thousands and 10,000s. Like this we have to write. Okay, now this is fifth one, 440. So beta, ones place 0 we are having, tens place also 0, ones, tens, hundred place also 4. So 440. Now tenths and hundredths, so 0 and 6. Like this we have to write. 6, 52.179. So ones, tens, so ones place which number? That is 2. And tens place which number? That is 5. And after point 1, after point, that is tenths, so it is 1, that is 7 and 9. Okay, now 46.0001. so beta, ones place which number? That is 6. Tens place, that is 4th. Now this side after point we will write, that is ones, that is tenths, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So this we will write 0, 0, 0 and this is 1. Last is 819. So we will start from 9. This is 1 and this is 8. And here what we will write? 0305. So we will start from here 0305. I hope you are able to understand this table. Okay. Now beta, question number 3. Write the place value of each digit of the following decimal numbers. So how we will write? Just see, 4 7 5 3 8. Okay, this one we have to write. So means we have to write according to this one. So how we will write 75.3? So 75 means this will be in ones, so we will write 5 into 1. That is good. And 7 means ones 10, so we will write here this is 70. This is 70. And after point 3 by 10. 3 by 10 we have to write. So after this is 1 by 3 by 10. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand this one. This is ones. Okay, this is tens means 4 into tens means 40, and this is 100. 1 2 means after that how much number is there, that much 0 we have to write. After 5 no number is there, that only 1 we have to write. After 4 1 number is there, then 1 0 we are writing. After 7 how many numbers are there, that is 2, then 2 0 we will write. 7 0 0. Okay, and after point we will, this is 9 by 10 and this is 6 by 100. Like this we have to write. So first number is 9 by 10 and second number is 6 by 100. Second number is 6 by 100. Now fourth part is ones, tens, 100, 1000. So what I said, 8 no number is there, then only 8 I will write. 1 number is there, after 1 number is there, then I will write 10. Okay, then 2, how many numbers are there, 1 2, so I will write 2 number, that is 200. And now 9 means 1 2 3 numbers, so I will write 1 2 3 0. Okay, then point, after point we will start from 0 upon 10. Okay, then 7 over 100 and this is 6 over, that is 1000. So beta, tenths, hundreds and thousands. Okay, like this we will start. Okay, now fifth one we will write like this. This is 7 ones, this is ones tens, this is 50. After point this is 0 by 10, this is 9 by 100, this is 0 by 1000, and this is 5 by 10,000. I hope you are getting this point. Okay.